EditMate is the new school platform for modern video marketing. Businesses around the world use EditMate to cut through the noise of traditional advertising and incorporate their brand's real community into its video content. Our tools allow you to collect mobile footage from your customers, employees, brand ambassadors, and fans, then connect with a vetted video editor from our global network to create an authentic, on-brand video. With EditMate, you manage your entire project from an easy-to-use dashboard. Here's how it works. Once you create an account and become an EditMate producer, you can start a new project. Write a creative brief, assign a mobile crew, and upload any existing footage. Your mobile crew will get an email inviting them to shoot and submit videos with our easy-to-use mobile uploader. Mobile videos get uploaded right to your project where you, the producer, can review, rate, and comment on them. When you have all the footage you need, just click the Request an Editor button to get a vetted, professional video editor assigned to your project. We'll send you a quote, and upon approval, your editor will get to work to turn your footage into an awesome on-brand video, perfectly formatted for each of your social channels. You can also use EditMate to recut existing content and create fresh new videos that suit your marketing objectives. We've built the dashboard to make the project management super easy. You send your editor feedback and revisions right from a chat box, and a manager from our team is assigned to every project to help out and answer any of your questions. Sign up to EditMate on a free plan to try it out, and you can later upgrade to a Pro, Team, or Enterprise subscription, depending on how many seats you need in your account and how many videos you'd like to produce each month. Subscriptions also include other cool tools, like a custom branded mobile uploader, curated video channels, personalized video strategy sessions, and more. By signing up to EditMate, your business can create a high volume of unique videos at an affordable price point. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and see how easy it is to create videos with EditMate.